Hi everyone, I hope your day has been really great. So we've got Diwali or the Festival of Lights coming up just round the corner. So I've got this look for you which should definitely amp up your glamour factor. So if you do like this makeup look, keep watching. Also make sure to subscribe if you enjoy these kind of videos anyway. To start with, I've kept my skin well moisturized. I'll start with the primer. This is my very favorite silicone based primer from Color Bar. I take a pea-sized amount of it on my fingers. I dot it all over my face and gently rub it in. As you may already know, the primer helps make your makeup last longer and also prevents it from entering the pores of your skin. So it's very important and please don't skip it, especially when doing a full face makeup. Next comes the foundation. I'm using my current favorite liquid foundation. I take a single pump of the product and dot it all over. Don't forget to apply on your neck also. I'm using a beauty blender and blend it well all over. Like I always repeat, blend, blend and blend. Taking the LA Girl HD Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, I apply it as a triangle under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and under the cheek area where we'll be contouring. These are the areas where we'll be highlighting later. I know I look funny now, but let's continue with the blending by using the tip of the beauty blender. Now I use the banana powder from Makeup Revolution to set our base in place. I dip a fluffy brush onto the powder, gently tap the excess powder out and then apply it all over the face and neck in a circular motion. Now our base is all done, so let's go on to our glamorous eye makeup. I'll again take some more of the banana powder on the beauty blender and apply it under my eyes for baking and also to catch any fallout from our eye makeup. I take the shade Neutral from the Makeup Revolution Neutrals vs Neutrals palette and apply it all over my lid. But I don't take this shade into the crease though. Now I take the shade Tone, which is a magenta shade from the same palette, and apply it on the outer corner of the eyes and into the middle. You can see how richly pigmented this shade is. Just a small amount gives intense color. Now I take a blue shade called Transformer from the palette Fortune Favors the Brave. This is a navy blue shade that I've been wanting to try using for a long time. Apply it from the inner corner to the middle. This is also very highly pigmented, so you only need to take a small amount of this pigment. I lightly slide the brush from the inner corner to the middle to pull the color to the middle. To intensify the magenta color a bit more, I apply it again from the outer corner to the middle. Now you can see both the colors separately stand out in the eyelid. So we've got to take care of that. So I'm taking a clean blending brush and blending at the crease area with a wiper motion. So the colors now blend well into the crease. I take this deep brown shade called Custom and apply it on top of the magenta at the outer corner and then use it to blend over the crease as well. This is to bring a slight smokiness to the outer corner. Now to glam up the look, I am taking this beautiful bronze shade of Makeup Revolution which came as a mono shade onto my ring finger and applying it on top of the navy blue shade from the middle to the inner corner. This is such a rich color. My shimmer seems to have come out to the other side, so I take some more of the magenta shade and even it out. And now we are done with the eyeshadow. Now we gently wipe the loose powder from under our eyes to take off any of the fallout. Now I take this liquid liner pen and do slightly thick wing liner on the upper lash line. You all know how I love my winged look, so that's a complete necessity for me. Now I take the darkest kohl pencil I have and tightline my eyes. I never used to tightline and I'm still trying to get used to it, but it makes a lot of difference, so I'm trying to make it a routine. I take that same kohl pencil and apply it to the lower lash line until the middle. Again I take the magenta color from before and I use a smaller brush to apply it under the kajal from the outer corner till the middle. I follow the same shades from above and I take the navy color and apply it from the inner corner towards the middle. Finally, I apply the light shimmery shade to the inner corner of the eyes to make my eyes pop. And to finish the eye makeup, I apply the volumizing part of this mascara onto my upper and lower lashes. I still haven't started using fake lashes yet, so I stick to just mascara. And now we're finally done with the whole eye makeup. And now on to contouring. So I'm taking this contour stick for that. This isn't really one of my favorites, but this is currently the only cream contour that I have, so I decided to use it anyway. I apply the contour in the shape of number 3 from the upper side of the forehead to under the cheekbone to under the jaw. And then I apply it to either side of the nose as well. And using an angled blending brush, I blend it really well. This is very important because if you don't blend this contour well, it can look quite patchy on your face. To deepen the contour, I take some bronzer from Freedom Makeup London and apply it to the same area as the contour stick and again blend well. Make sure that it does not stick out distinctly and it leaves just a light structure to your face. Moving on to highlighting, I am taking this highlighter palette. These highlighters are heavenly and look so great on our Indian skin tone. So I apply it under my brow bone, on the high points of my cheeks, on the forehead, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and under the bronzer applied below the cheekbone. Lastly, I take this coral shade from the blush palette and apply it from the apple of my cheeks to my ears. Blend it really well so that it does not leave a deposit on your cheeks. Now I take this deep plum shade lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics and apply it luxuriously over my lips. And since it's a festival look and we'll be busy most of the day, I apply some setting spray to keep our whole makeup intact throughout the day. To finish the look, I've applied a beautiful bindi, which is a signature part of any look of mine. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup look and would try it out for yourself. If you did like it, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. This Diwali, I hope you all get a lot of mithai and practice a safe and pollution-free Diwali. We definitely don't want to harm our Mother Nature any longer. So pledge with me on having a cracker-free Diwali this year. So I'll see you again next time with another video. So till then, bye bye.